really good, smooth, even firing 6-cylinder sound. We usually think of things like the BMW 6 cylinders, B58 and 55, but what we're about to show you has the same really nice, smooth 6-cylinder sound, but it's not what you would think. Come with me. This is a B9.5 Audi S5. It's got a free flow downpipe, and it has our full catback exhaust. Special note, as you can see, it's a convertible. I'm a huge sucker for a convertible. You get way more sound behind you, and this full exhaust setup with the downpipe and the full catback system really gives you an extremely smooth, aggressive, exotic sound. In the video today, we're going to show you all the sound characteristics: startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're going to put a GoPro in the rear bumper, and of course, you guys are going to get to hang out with us in the interior of this really impressive vehicle. People don't really think about the S5 as being that impressive, but this car with the downpipe and the exhaust is really something special. Come along with us to enjoy a great sound experience. And this car is bone stock, no tune, no software, just the downpipe and the catback. And if you get it just right, you can get this thing to shift like an SVJ. Take a listen, let's go. know that convertible, people say you gotta have a coupe, the coupe drives better, whatever. I got 93 million miles of headroom and every way to enjoy this Valvetronic exhaust even more. This car sounds so good. Again, the setup, S5 B9.5 convertible. We have a free flow downpipe up front, and it's got the full Valvetronic exhaust. This is basically a full free flow configuration, and it sounds really, really good. It almost sounds like you're in a convertible Supra with a full exhaust. You get that kind of smooth, straight six sound that you would get out of a BMW, but with this single turbo configuration, the sound really has a nice echo to it. It's not crazy loud, but the quality of sound is top notch. So we're gonna show you guys the characteristics. We'll do a little bit of valves open right now. The car is warm, so we're able to enjoy fully. And then we'll do some valves closed as well. Like, it sounds really, really good.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Dude, that sounds great.
I know, like, I'm very impressed at how good this car sounds. But the cool thing is, as you guys know, close the valves. This car now goes back to being like it is a bone stock S5 convertible. Show up to the country club, pick up people for dinner. They would never know that the quality of sound lurking beneath this exhaust setup when the valves are closed, you literally would have no idea, which is really, really nice. So I'll take myself out of dynamic, back in comfort. Again, this is a convertible, guys. Like, you're gonna hear all the sound behind us. If it was droney or bassy, you'd hear all that behind us. You don't get any of that, which is really, really nice. We're at like 1200 RPM, 35 miles an hour. And I mean, I don't hear anything. A little bit of throttle. Totally use this all the time. Now we know too, these cars have huge potential with some software, but even if you just want to leave the car stock, the sound quality is really, really there with this full exhaust setup and no tune. Again, this car is bone stock besides from the exhaust.
That is so
That's
fun.
hilarious. You can shift like an SVJ. It's lit. Turning an S5 into an SVJ with the Valvetronic system. Listen. Shift. Woo! Let's go! Again. really is the Valvetronic S5 experience. When you see these exhaust tips, you know whoever's lucky enough to drive this vehicle is enjoying the best sound characteristics. Now, this car is really enjoyable because of those shift pops, how smooth the sound is, and again, a bone stock experience. This car is now so much more fun. If you had an RS5 and you came up next to how good this car sounds, you would definitely feel shortchanged paying a bunch of extra money for that RS5. This S5 full exhaust with the downpipe, you really get that incredible sound. If you're looking to get a smooth, aggressive, very enjoyable exhaust setup for your S5 or your other Audi products, check us out at Valvetronic.com, or you've got BMWs like this or whatever universal muffler project we can help you out with. We're here ready to make it happen. Check us out at Valvetronic.com and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.